Hey guys, one gentleman gave me this laptop. He said that he spilled the tea on the laptop. You can see that. So since that stopped working, so he gave it to someone to fix it, but that person couldn't fix that. So basically this laptop came with the condition. I'll show you how it is. It came like all the screws they were removed, and if you take this panel off, this is how it looked like. So basically I unplugged all the connections. This is the hard drive, and this is the battery. Basically I removed all of them, all the connections, and you can see, look, there are T. So yeah, what I've done, spray some yeah what I've done, I sprayed some spirit on it, and I'm going to wipe it, brush all the dirts on the board, the whole board. I have done both sides. So let me plug all the cables, then I'll come back to you. All the cable back in place. That's the battery. So let me turn this. Let me connect the charger. Let's see. So I'm going to take this off, and I'm gonna see how the other side is. I'll show you how the other side, then we can decide what to do. This is fully sealed, so it's very hard to remove this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this touchpad off, and the process fan, whatever the electric stuff, I'm gonna take them off, and I'm gonna wash this with the warm water, and after that let's see how it works. I have washed this keyboard, and I have connected all of the wires. So let me plug this charger and let's see whether it is working or not. So basically here I have connected it. So here's the power. Let's see. I can see the processor works. Let's see the screen. Oh, it works. It's working fine. So yeah, let me put all of them back, then I'll come back to you. Everything is plugged in, so I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see how it works. can see it works fine. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you like, give me a comments below. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.